Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's JASMY video update for Friday, 11th of March. And I think it's time to rise and shine for this coin basically. And now I want to talk about the update and what is about to happen with JASMY. In my opinion, JASMY is about to get very bullish in the next coming week. And on the weekly time frame, we're looking really superb. And guys, if you want to take the trading course, I've already been making a lot of effort to put in together to bring this pirate trader for you. And I want to make sure that you learn the way I analyze the market as well. So the last video that I made about JASMY in my channel, if you go to my channel, we were up here somewhere near here. I don't even remember where this was. It's like, I think I saw it on the daily. There was a bear flag that I highlighted about, and I told everyone that JASMY is gonna go down here. Okay, I had some troll comments on the channel as well that, oh, JASMY is not gonna dump that much down, and I was pointing out that it was a clear bear flag. Just watch the channel. The last video of JASMY, that's the only thing that I left, and I said that, hey, we're gonna drop to these levels. Now we've already dropped out of those levels because of a bear flag, and basically what I see now is a nice chart pattern and a potential for JASMY to start climbing up the mountains. Now this candlestick actually closes in the next 10 hours like this. So if you do close like this one, you're going to be closing in a bearish engulfing candlestick. But in my opinion, more than focusing on the daily, I want to dive into the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so look at the 4-hour time frame here, and you're gonna get a lot of answers right now. So basically what you did, I'm gonna dive into the 1-hour time frame as well. So here we are with the 1-hour time frame, and it seems like on the 1-hour time frame you're making a double bottom right now. The first bottom, and this was the second bottom. Okay, so you're actually, I'm expecting this one to go like this, make a nice beautiful W and break out, and then you continue to the upside. So what's gonna be the technical target if, it's a big question, and if you make the W? So you take the top to the bottom, and if it does come here for the W pattern, then you're looking for 0.020, at least for the short term. But I think it's gonna do way more than that. I think this coin is about to get absolutely parabolic, because let's dive into the weekly, and the weekly time frame is looking superb. Okay, so here we are, and let's talk about the weekly time frame, guys. So right now on the weekly, it seems like you're interested to make something known as a bullish engulfing candlestick, and this one, if it closes like this, you're going to see the next week also going to the upside, potentially going to that 20 area, or who knows, you can go to the 10. I think, in my opinion, it makes way more sense to go to the 10, which is going to be the 0.0332. So let's talk about the bullish engulfing candlestick. So here we are, and bullish engulfing candlestick, just like that. And I want to dive into the image here. I think guys, I'm actually gonna take a trade here, just a little bit, not too much. It's quite a risky because of the volatility of the coin, but I think after all these red candles, oh damn, that's really amazing. Okay, so my all eyes are on JASMY right now, even though we do have a 3 black crows right there. It's kind of a little bit risky, but I'm gonna take the dive into trading JASMY here a little bit, you know. And yeah, so as I was talking about the bullish engulfing candlestick, you're gonna see something like this, where you have a red candle and next to it a green candle engulfs the red candle. So that basically is a bullish pattern in itself, and it means that the next week we're gonna have lovely pump to the upside. So look what happens when this one forms up. So when that forms, you're going to see the next candles actually being higher. So what's the stop loss? The stop loss basically should be somewhere down here at the 0.0114, something like that. But that's a lot of dump, okay, to the downside, which I don't think is going to happen. Because right now we're respecting the trend line, and it seems like JASMY is really doing good right now to continue to the upside. On the 4-hour time frame, we're potentially making in a morning star. Do you see that? This is a morning star, and if you guys are entering, you can put a big stop loss down here at the let's say 0.0145. okay, you can put a stop loss right there. If this morning stars closes, we do have 2 hours 30 minutes for this candle to close. Okay, so if in 2 hours and 30 minutes you actually close 50%, then this red candle then you're good to go to the upside. From here, I think you're going to start to push to the moon basically. And in the next 2 days, we still have to see the weekly closing, how the weekly closes. It's important. And then from there, if you do end up making that bullish engulfing candlestick, then boom, that's it. You take over, you just continue to the upside, you don't look back anymore. And that's what is expected out of JASMY at this point of time. It's looking good to me. And one more thing is that the volume is amazing. Look at the volume. Look at this volume. We've never had this volume in a long time, man. Look at this. Look, this is for the first time ever since this was listed in Binance, by the way. It was listed back in like, I don't know, January? Was it listed in January? Yeah, December. Is this Binance, by the way? Just a second, okay? Let me confirm. Yeah, ever since December or November when it was listed, we never had that volume. Look at that volume. We never had it before. Anyway, we never had that volume. So this means one thing and one thing only, and that is that the buyers are so powerful right now. They're defending JASMY not to go to the downside. I'm going to repeat that. The buyers are so strong right now. They're defending from the sellers JASMY not to fall to the downside anymore. And in my opinion, I was kind of hesitated, but I'm getting even more confident after this update. So yeah, I'm definitely taking an entry a little bit here, and that's it for this update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. If you guys are still interested for this course, you can give it a look, and you can play this video to learn what you're gonna learn about the course. There's a lot of contents. There's a lot of things here to learn. 15 plus hours of content. So check that out, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.